Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to just provide a little quick update on Golden Nugget. I want to read through this article. You may have already seen it, but I just want to go ahead and provide an update for the people who may not have seen it. I check these stocks that I cover, pretty often, and as I see a good article, I want to go ahead and share that with you. So it says Golden Nugget Online, underappreciated story. iGaming could top sports betting, says Analyst. Okay, it says Golden Nugget Online Gaming stock isn't getting the adulation it deserves, and the name could potentially deliver massive returns, perhaps doubling or tripling as market participants recognize growth offered by online casinos. Those are the sentiments by Jefferies analyst David Katz, which those of you who follow the channel, you know that I did already cover that article that David Katz talks about. He raises his price target to $28 and gives a buy rating. Okay, that's kind of an older video, but this is just reiterating. As David Katz, who recently has been bullish on the online gaming name, he reiterates a buy rating on Golden Nugget with a price target of 28, well above the 15 area which it resides today. We believe the street's shifting focus to merits of iGaming from online sports betting is underappreciated, and as proliferation evolves, GNOG's positioning should be better reflected in the shares, Katz said in a note to his clients. The analyst waxed bullish on Tillman's Fertitta internet casino operation. His latest take indicates a move to $28 by GNOG is more of a base case. Okay, a base case. An extremely bullish scenario, Katz believes the stock can surge to $45 or triple its current price. The consensus price projected among Wall Street analysts is $24. GNOG requires a longer-term view. It goes on to say, equities typically don't double in rapid fashion, and on the road to a triple is even longer. Plus, GNOG has to shake out of a slump before it can earnestly flirt with the lofty price estimates set forth by Katz. Okay, it goes on to say the company went public last December. Yada yada yada. Talks about how it went from LCA to Golden Nugget. So. Last thing says part of that sluggishness could be attributed to the investors prioritizing names with heavy online sports betting exposure over online casinos. However, the latest offer, the latter offers its own favorable growth trajectory. Goldman Sachs recently said it believes internet gaming will be a $14 billion industry in 2033, up from $1.5 billion today. Okay, so we knew that, guys, and you hear me talk about this stock on the channel. I do say that this is a longer term play, right? And to me, I kind of enjoy seeing that, because what that means to me is right now that the stock at these prices, and it's holding at these prices, and Wall Street's averaging in at $24, and one guy comes out and says 28 as a base case, 45, could hit $45. Well, to me, it tells me that we're kind of, in my opinion, sort of ahead of Wall Street right now. We're ahead of the game. We see where this is going, and once Wall Street kind of joins the party and starts seeing this moving, to the high 20s, to the 30s, to the 40s, that's when it's going to take off. But it's going to be kind of slow and steady until then. So it provides some good buying opportunities for you still here today. Okay, it's under $16. We're going to go and look at the charts. I'll talk about, the resistance and support levels, and I'll give you some, kind of some insight on what you can do with this stock short term and long term. So some more good, positive news for Golden Nugget. All right, that's some exciting stuff. The more positive news, the better, to kind of get some more attention out in the market. Should help this stock move forward as, we continue to add more states in, and we continue to, of course, beat revenue numbers and just continue to, do our thing. Okay, guys, so we'll take a look at Golden Nugget Online Gaming. We just got a buy signal in the pre-market hours. Looks like we're going to try to bounce off of that SMA line. If we can, that's going to be a good sign. And our resistance will be 1668. Currently support of 1357. And if for some reason we don't, bust through and get above that 1668, let's say we go a little bit higher and we pull back down, okay, and we go back and retest that low support of 1357. That would be prime buying opportunities, guys, right here. If it happens to fall back down again in this area, you can get a really good swing play. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. So it fell all the way down here to the 13s, and then if you bought here, what happened? It rose up to about the $16 level, fell back down to the 13s, rose all the way up to almost the $17 level, fell back down even in the 12s, rose all the way up to almost 20 bucks, fell back down again, down to the 12s again, rose back up to the 17s. So if this thing falls down again to the 13s or the 12s, in my opinion, if you have some cash on the sideline, hop in and load up, and then when it pops back up and retest that resistance level, you can cash out right here if you think it's going to fall back down, or maybe it'll pop through and go higher, who knows. But just kind of like another scenario, if it doesn't continue to go up, if it does pull back down, look at on the bright side of, oh, I have a chance to make some more money. Just keep in mind it may take a little while before it pops back up, maybe a week, but just kind of give it time and it'll get there. So I just wanted to provide those options for you as well, and show you what we're doing on the charts. Right now we're currently in fair value on the RSI. MACD looks like it's starting to lose steam on the bearish pattern, and we're trying to transition into a bullish pattern. So we'll just have to see. Key level right here, like I said, is 1668. If we bust through there aggressively, then hopefully we can hold support and we can continue to the upside. Alright guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube will let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you